Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new question which says solve the differential equation this. Now, look at this how we will approach this question. So, the idea is like first we will try to like recently we have studied variable separable method. Okay. So, first we will try to think about variable separable method whether it is applicable or not. And how will you understand that variable separable is applicable over here? So suppose that if you can segregate x thing on like x thing together and y thing together, this means you can convert this question into variable separable method. Okay, so look at here. So we got dy by dx equals 1 plus x square. Now if you'll observe, you can take y square common. So if you'll take y square common, you will be left with 1 plus x square. Done. Now we have 1 plus x square taken common and we have 1 plus y square. Look at this. You have segregated x thing together and y thing together. Correct? Now what we will do? We will segregate both of them. Means we will keep y thing one side, x thing one side. So we have dy by 1 plus y square equals 1 plus x square and dx. Now what we will do? We will integrate things to backtrace the original equation. Now look at this situation. You know that like we have to integrate this function with respect to y, we have to integrate this function with respect to x. Now you know that integration of dx by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x, correct? So in place of x, if you'll observe over here, it is y. So can I write tan inverse y is equal to integration of 1 becomes x, integration of x square becomes x cube by 3 with integration constant c. So we got our original equation. Later they will be giving you certain situations to calculate the value of this arbitrary constant c. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.